Hello YouTube. I normally will use a pressure washer to attack the mold, mildew, algae on my siding up here. We're going to give a try to this 30-second outdoor cleaner that says it'll clean algae, mold, and mildew. And I've got a good bit up here on the siding, along with a couple other areas of the house that I'll also video record, and we'll see how this stuff works. One of the suggestions on the bottle is to remove the red fan tip to get higher access or higher reach. So I've now done that. I'll give this siding another quick spray of cleaner. And this is now sat for a couple minutes, so we'll go ahead and rinse it off. All right, that is already looking dramatically better. I'm pleased with that end result. All right, I'm going to tackle the second area of the house here on the side, which is maybe not quite as bad as some other areas, but definitely still have a good bit on the siding. All right, and once again, we'll let that sit a bit. All right, here's another quick look after a second quick rinse, and it's looking great. And this last area has been the hardest for me to access. It's up in this corner. I've never been able to reach it by pressure washer, so we'll see what we can do with this now. All right, it's been a couple minutes, so we'll go ahead and rinse it off, but I can already tell it's done a great job. It might be a little hard to see, but it did remove all the algae and mildew from this side as well. So this product works extremely well. I'm really pleased. I'll show some quick before and after pictures next. Here's a before picture of the front of my house, and here's the after picture. This is a shady side of my house that I haven't pressure washed in many years. The cleaner did a great job on this side and on the other side, where an interior area tends to get some mildew and was hard to reach with the pressure washer. So yeah, I'm just really happy with this product. Links are available in the description below, so check it out.